Good evening, everyone. I'm Durgesh Brahmbhatt from Ultimate Class Ashton. Today's topic is degree versus knowledge. What's important? When yesterday I was my home, that I was thinking that I should get degree or I should get knowledge. Then suddenly that point came in my mind, and that I thought that I should message my old teachers. Then I sent message Mr. Rakesh Solanki sir, Mr. Vinod sir, Mr. Sandeep sir, and Mr. Mohan sir, and message Bhavana Joshi ma'am. Then I asked them that degree is more important than knowledge, yeah, knowledge is more important than knowledge. Then midnight I kept on thinking and thought myself that I think degree is not important. I think knowledge is more important. That even though I can't say that what was I thinking and what was I doing, then till 4 p.m. that I was kept on thinking. Then which messages I sent them. They replied me. First, Vinod replied me that I think knowledge is better than degree. Then Sandeep sir, he said that degree also is important, because that if you go anywhere, you will show your talent and you will show your knowledge. But how can you say that you have certificate? You show your certificate, and then if you have no certificate, then nobody will connect to you and nobody will hire you. Only you will do your business, you will run up your business, but you can't say that you are a good teacher, good professor, good person, that you showed your character to in front of people, that you get success in your life after him. Then I learned from him. Then Mr. Rakesh Solanki said that I think both are very important. If you have knowledge, you can get job. If you have no knowledge, you can't get job. If you have degree, you can go anywhere, you apply in any field. If you have no degree, then how can you say you can apply? Also, you can open your business and you can run up your business. Also, my message, Mrs. Bhavana Joshi ma'am, she said that I think both are important and you are doing your hard work. I believe you that definitely you will do both of work. Now also, having listened the point, I thought that I don't want a degree. I want one knowledge. But somebody says that you have no knowledge and you are thinking about yourself that you are knowledgeable. Being a knowledge, it is a on what we can on feel. I'm not taking degree for granted. I'm not longing for degree. I'm not longing for knowledge. But I'm thinking that I'm capable of learning. I'm capable of joining. I'm capable of teaching or not. Somebody says that you have no talent. How will you get success? Whatever you want to in your life. I think that I am learner. I am doing my work. I don't want to show to other people. I don't want to pretend. I am thinking that in coming up time I have to do. Somebody said that in coming up 10 years I will do my work. How can you say? Did you ever see 10 years? After 10 years, where will be you? That's why I think that I have to make my atmosphere my goal only for 1 year. Whatever I want to do, I have to do only within 2 years. I don't want to think about 10 years. After 10 years, what will happen? I will become teacher or not. That's why I said. Also, I need degree. If I have to show to my certificate, whatever, in front of everybody. If I am a graduate, then everybody will hire you. I don't want money. I don't want to earn money. I didn't come from here, from their side. I yet come for getting knowledge, whatever. Everybody says that you must have degree, whatever. I know. I have a degree. I know. If I have a degree, then I will apply in any job. But I think that if I learn so much things, if I do my work, if I get knowledge, definitely degree will come. And then I will apply. I don't want to go anywhere. I don't want to show to other people. If they need me, they will come. If they want to meet me, they will come. I don't want to go, I don't need money, whatever, I will do my work. I know somebody thinks they are longing for money. They are getting up in the morning and they are showing their talent, but they are not able to. They took so many degrees, but they have no any knowledge, and they are teaching in a school. Why? I want to ask question them. But today what Amas has told me that you who said to you degree is not important, degree is very important in our life. Without degree can't do anything. I learned from him today. He taught me whatever I know what do I have to do. I think both are very important in our life. It's why I want to say to all, don't think about other people, then what are they doing, what are they saying. But I asked from 5 people and they told me, then I learned so much thing that yes, whatever, only 4 people told me that degree and knowledge both are important. One man said to me that only knowledge is very important. Then today I learned from these peoples, these teachers, that I think both are very important in our life. That's why I want to say to all that don't think about other people, do your work. That's all. Thank you very much. I'm Durgesh Brahmbhatt from Ultimate Class Ashta.